wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car tablet mounts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Surprisingly robust for its lightweight design, the jarv holder will attach to either the seat rail bolt or to the floor, allowing for safe and easy hands-free navigation, calling and audio. Note that installing its hardware will leave permanent marks. Its sturdy neck holds its position, and it rotates vertically and horizontally. However, it can be difficult to adjust. At number 9, suitable for devices between 7 and 11 inches in length, the Apps 2-Car 2-in-1 will attach to nearly any vehicle CD slot, providing better stability than most air vent or suction cup models. It positions the tablet front and center on your dashboard. It includes a rubber-padded clamp for a good grip and a cable hole for cords, but it requires frequent retightening. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Most automobiles are built with round headrest poles between 2 and 7 inches wide, which will easily accommodate the versatile macally headrest. Its sturdy frame can be extended to a wide variety of positions, depending on which passenger wants to use the device. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and weighs only 8 ounces. However, it takes a while to install. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car tablet mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, fully adjustable both horizontally and vertically, you can position the Mobotron standard at any angle you choose. If you're a frequent traveler and often use your vehicle as a mobile office, this reliable mount may be for you, as it can hold a laptop as well. It folds away flat in seconds and is equipped with a simple, quick-release locking system, but it's not very resistant to vibrations. Moving up our list to number 6. By securing your device in the Satechi Universal and positioning it at the center of your dashboard, you'll create a clear viewing station. It's designed with an adjustable arm and ball joint, allowing you to achieve the optimal screen angle for your passengers. It comes with padded grips for protection and a simple and secure locking mechanism. However, it is somewhat bulky and cumbersome. Halfway up our list at number 5. Built with a ball joint that swivels 360 degrees, you can easily set up the ideal viewing angle once the ikross kit is securely mounted to your cup holder. This convenient model is designed with interchangeable tablet and smartphone mounts. It offers a quick and simple installation and an easy push-button device release. It minimizes the effects of road vibrations. At number 4, the TFY Universal is a solid choice for families with young children, as its simple detachable design makes it easy for kids to mount and remove the holder on their own. It helps that it features no protruding parts, so the little ones won't get scratched or pinched. It folds compactly for easy storage and can be used on an airplane too. It's coated in durable soft rubber. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Whether you're an iPad loyalist or prefer the Samsung Galaxy or Kindle Fire, the Vogel's 1020 should be able to accommodate your device without a problem. It quickly snaps onto the back of a headrest, and you can easily tilt it up to 15 degrees. No tools are needed for assembly, and it can hold tablets with their cases on. It sports a sleek, minimalist appearance. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car tablet mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a popular model for professional drivers who spend a lot of time on the road, the Arkon seat rail is compatible with a range of devices up to 18.4 inches in screen size. Its spring-loaded design makes it easy to insert or remove the tablet with one hand. It's equipped with a 22-inch aluminum gooseneck, a metal conduit that prevents wobbling, and optional floor brackets. And taking the top spot on our list, the durable carbon fiber arms that support the Joy Factory Unite are its bread and butter, as they provide rigidity and smooth maneuverability for drivers and passengers alike. A convenient knob allows you to quickly adjust it to hold devices of various sizes. It's available in a wide array of styles and 3 sizes, all with an easy-to-use tightening lever. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car tablet mounts, or simply click beneath this video.